Philippines' most historic gems. Our first stop is the iconic Calle Crisologo. So these cobblestone streets, lined with centuries-old Spanish houses, have seen generations pass by.
The blend of antique woodwork and cabinet shell windows and wrought iron tells the story of a time when Spanish influence shaped the Filipino way of life. I'm Jaylene, and we're not just experiencing Bigan City, we're also experiencing its culture, soul, and stories.
This is the Metropolitan Cathedral of St. Paul, built in the 16,000s. Its Baroque style architecture has survived earthquakes, wars, and typhoons.
It remains a symbol of faith and resilience for the people of Bigan.
I'm Sophia, and every corner here feels like a page out of the history book, but it's very much alive. Here we are at Plaza Salcedo, named after Juan de Salcedo, one of the Bigan's early colonial figures. But this plaza also honors Gabriela Sala, the fearless Filipino warrior who fought for freedom and was executed here. So this space now stands as a peaceful tribute to both history and heroism.
Hi, I'm Michaela, and you'll see why this city is not only visual trip, but also cultural treasure worth preserving. Kia Mansion was once home to President Elpidio Carrillo. It's filled with elegant antique furniture, oil paintings, and heirlooms.
Walking through its halls, you can imagine the life of Filipino elites during Spanish rule. It's like stepping into a different era. I'm Hannah, and together we explore vegan one story at a time. Hello po, magandang araw po. Ako po si Hannah. Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Ako po si Mar.
Pwede po bang magtanong kung bakit, anong kadalasang rason kung bakit bumabalik yung mga turista sa inyo?
Maraming bumabalik na turista sa amin, hindi lang dahil sa history sa vegan, but also the food and the craftsmanship, and especially sa mga tao dito na mga locals, they're very hospitable and they are very lovable sa mga turista.
That's why vegan is so unforgettable. Thank you po.
Exploring responsibly means bringing your own reusable items like eco bags and water bottles to reduce waste.
And support local artisans by buying crafts made from native materials. Every purchase preserves tradition and supports livelihoods.
Be mindful of your behavior in sacred or historical places. Dress modestly, speak respectfully, and take only photos. Leave only footprints.
Help keep vegan clean. Little acts of care go a long way in protecting cultural landmarks. Sustainable tourism is not just a trend, it's a responsibility. Together, we can travel with purpose.
Behind every souvenir or dish is a whole chain of effort, from the supplier to the maker and to you.
Farmers grow local produce, cooks turn them into authentic Ilocano dishes, and the vendors deliver that experience to every visitor.
When tourists spend wisely, they help every link in the chain stay strong.
It's not just about visiting, it's about becoming part of living economy that respects culture and people.
Vegan isn't just a destination, it's a living, breathing memory of the past.
Every street you walk on, every story you hear, brings you closer to the soul of the Philippines.
And that's why we say, Vegan City, Timeless Vegan.